The kit includes an instruction manual, swab, assay diluent and test card. Use the swab to collect fresh poultry excreta or tracheal secretions, 0.1 gram. Immediately insert the swab into the assay diluent. Thoroughly mix the swab until the sample is fully dissolved in the diluent. Take out the test card and dropper. Use the dropper to aspirate the diluted sample. Add 3 drops of the sample to the S-hole of the test card. Wait for 10 to 15 minutes to interpret the results. Result interpretation.